Class 8th, Subject English Grammar, Chapter number 5, Participle. Example: going on the road, the boy met with an accident. Definition: the word going qualifies the noun boy as an adjective does. It is formed from the word go. The word going therefore has something of an adjective and something of a verb too. Such verbs are called participle. A participle is a form of verb which takes the nature of both a verb and an adjective. Example: we met a boy carrying books. The participle used in the above sentence and with ing, they are called present participles. Please note that present participles represent an action in progress, or we may say the action which is incomplete and going on. However, a participle can represent an action which has been completed. In such cases, the third form of the verb is used. Such participles are called past participle. Example: time wasted is a time lost. You can easily say that the continuous tense is formed from the present participle with the verb be. We have seen the participles serve the purpose of an adjective. They may be used before or after the noun. Example: before the noun, the tired man needs rest. Example: after the noun, he seems worried. Absolutely with a noun or pronoun before it. Example: God willing, I shall be rich. The participles must refer to a subject. Without it, the sentence is incorrect. Example: walking on the road, a truck hit him. In some cases, the usage permits use of participle without a proper subject of reference. Example: frankly speaking, I want to go now. Sometimes the participle is understood. Example: pistol in hand, he rushed towards the door. Exercise: first, everybody worships the dash rise sun, rising. Second, dash placed the books on the table, he ran away, placing. Third, hit by an arrow in the chest, he fell down dead, hit. Fourth, dash lose my book, I reported to the matter to the teacher, having lost. Have a nice day.
पसंद आई तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, जो नीचे वाला बटन है उसको दबा दीजिए।